What up, everybody? Another episode working on that air tank right there. Bought some fittings today, and we're gonna try to get this thing hooked up. So, is it gonna work? Let's find out. So after work, went ahead, picked up a 2-inch galvanized, a 3/4 to 3/8 reducer, some Street L 1/4 inch, a 3/8 to 1/4 reducer, and a 3/4 plug. And that should get us pretty close to what we're doing. So we're gonna start with this 2-inch plug. This is 2-inch national pipe thread. Yeah, you get what you pay for nowadays. It's pretty bad on the threads, but let's go ahead and get it taped up. Get this. As you take your fitting, I hold it in my left hand, threads towards me. Take pipe tape like this, and then I go clockwise for right hand thread. If it's left hand thread, then you're gonna wanna go to the left, which is counterclockwise, but it's pretty simple. That was our 3/4 plug. So we're gonna do the same thing. The dope is actually a little bit better, but I forgot to grab some. Next up is our 3/4 to 3/8 local hardware store. I couldn't find the 3/4 to 1/4 inch reducer that wasn't a brass, because brass is super expensive. I could have used black on this, just black pipe, but I want to galvanize so it didn't rust, because I know it's going to get wet. So this is what we got, and then we're going to go from the 3/8 to the 1/4 on the Street L. So let's get this on. So I got the reducer, I have my valve, and then my quick connect. This is gonna go at the top up there, and I'm gonna add a Street L on it. So I'm gonna pre-tape all this stuff because it's gonna be hard to film up there, and it's hot in here already. So pre-take this. Maybe the threads are messed up. There we go. Switch to 11/16. Then we're going to switch back. Pipe wrench. Go ahead. Get a few turns on that. And I believe we're gonna go to a 5/8. These already had some sealant on them from the factory. Oops. All right, we want this about here. We'll grab this 14. Eights here. Okay, good there. I'm gonna run my hose down, and there's a port back here I'm gonna hook into to tie these together, and then the bottom one will be the exit since all my stuff is already hooked up. Leave this closed. We're gonna hook into that. The hose feels good there. We're gonna leave that valve off for a minute. All right, it's about a 10-foot hose. And for now, we're just gonna hook into our existing air line. I got about 80 pounds. We're gonna test for leaks on this tank first before I unhook that, hook it all up, find out the leaks. So here we go. Okay. So first check, hose is good, okay? All right, second test. We're gonna go ahead and flip this valve. She's building pressure. It's full of oil in the tank there, Nick. That's why it's holding. So now I gotta dump the actual main tank and get it all drained, and then pop that plug out, and then put the new one in, and then go ahead and fire it up. So go ahead and knock this fitting loose. Got our pre-taped connections. And we got 5/8. Hey. everybody, so there you got it. We got 60-gallon tank plumbed into our 60-gallon tank for a total of 120 gallons of air. So just a reminder, I'm off grid, so that's how I run my air compressor. Probably later I'll end up tying into the top because this tank's gonna be pretty hot being its primary. This tank is warm right now, but I think we'll be fine. So anyway, catch you on the next one.